Welcome back again. So I hope you have a nice day, and if not, so make an effort to make it great. Today we will talk about Windows 11 Antivirus. What it does it do? It simply scan all the files. Let's get started. Press and hold the Windows and R key. Type here MRT. Hit the OK. It will simply show a Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. No, you can click on next. From here you can have three options: quick scan, full scan, and custom voice scan. You can do whatever scan you like. So in my case, I just simply click on quick scan next, and it will scan all the files. Here you can see the files scanned, and here you can see file infected, and here you can see started time 9:19 p.m. and here you can see time elapsed, and so on. So that's all for today. Hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorial. Until the next one, till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep getting